আজকের এই দিনে আসতে পেরে আসলে আমরা খুব আনন্দিত, খুব ভালো লাগছে যে ইয়াং পিপলের মধ্যে এত বেশি সাড়া আমরা পাবো। আমরা এটা আসলে আশা করি নাই। তারপরেও আপনাদেরকে অনেক কষ্ট করতে হইতেছে, এই জন্য আমরা দুঃখিত। তো রুহুল আইটির পক্ষ থেকে এবার আপনাদের মাঝে ছোট্ট কিছু কথা বলবে আমাদের ছোট্ট রোজা।
Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today?
ফাইন।
Fine, thank you so much.
So today is my main topic is why we are learning technology and English. That is my main topic. So not wasting time, go my topic. English is an international language for all country. All country know the English. English is enough for your life or thinking. When you go any places for traveling, that is not problem for your life or any places you travel. Just know the English. That is enough for every country. When you go anywhere for traveling, that is easy. Just know the English and talk with clients and earning money. That is the English and technology. Why we are learning technology? Technology is a international tools for our life. That technology is many things is technology thing, and we earning money from that technology and giving the solution from the technology. Technology, when you using that thing and you from many kind of website is giving the country client password or many numbers that you take from here and talk with client, and when you talk with client must need to the practicing the English. English,
Yeah, they all want to know how they will be start their journey, earning journey.
yeah. So unfinished was there I say about the business. So that technology is earning money and many kind of help your life. The technology, and when you study business, must the technology have the part is English. First of all, things is the English. Then all work. That is your business thing is English. First part. Then all thing. You must need the business, your English skills, your how much skill and confidence in your body, in your mouth, then you will be good businessman. So any more questions?
So my question, please give some suggestion. Here is the lot of young guys. So
Yeah.
how they will be start their technology, English and business journey. Just recap it, please.
Okay. There is when I'm saying a thing that is not that topic.
Firstly,
When
which one all will be start?
first of all the English, then technology, then business. So I'm saying a thing, when you not earning money, take from your father money and marry. All time your father mother said, please give me my money.
এখানে ও বলতিছে যে আপনারা কি আপনাদের বাবা মার টাকা দিয়ে বিয়ে করবেন না নিজের টাকা? She describing that. Please say. Yeah.
Then when you earning money and marry, then anyone not say anything. And when you taking money from your father mother, then he all time saying, give me my money, give me my money, and all time just disturbing and saying, why you not earning money, taking from me just money and earning, just marry you. That is the problem, and must need to earning.
রোজাকে দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
No problem.
ওকে,
তোমাকে আমি ধরেছি, হ্যাঁ বলো।
So carry on.
So
So how they will be starting English?
yeah, I'm big than you.
Okay, please
So
say.
say,
So please say. You know, everyone is the taking money from the parents.
yeah.
So how next month they will not taking money from their parents? How they will be start the earning from the technology and English and freelancing? Please say.
Must need your confidence, then your skill, then you must have in your English spoken and practicing every day. That is the business thing of main point. You need the confidence. Then how to investing, that business, then the English spoken, businessman spoken English, then how to investing, how to selling, that is must need in your life, then in your business, then your economy think.
So how today, all are the newcomer.
Yeah.
Don't know about the technology and English. Next 3 days, how all will be income from the internet by freelancing.
Freelancing.
Yeah.
That is easy for way. When you learning the freelancing, that is easy for finding the client.
Yeah, how hunting or finding
Yeah.
the client.
There is many websites like Nano Banana. There is many hack countries.
Just banana.
Many websites.
Please say some names.
So you taking advantage for that. The AI have.
Say some.
Do you know anyone AI?
Ask it. Please say.
So that you say all I know. Yeah. So what is the full from? Say.
That's great. Okay.
So you say.
So please say some AI name.
Do you know your name? Say.
ChatGPT, Gemini.
Then one powerful tools for that. Gemini is powerful.
Yeah, please say some names.
So also one of thing that is very powerful thing. Our AI. That name is Perplexity. All country, all link, all things is saying to you and describe all things. What your advantage, what your problem in your spoken past, spoken skill, how to confidence big, all he's saying. The Perplexity. Use ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini also, but that is not good. The Gemini also.
So please give some about 2 or 3 tips how they will be start this week.
This
And
way.
Start earning money. Social network, some social network, how finding the client and earning money, because here is a lot of
Guy.
guys, so all want to help to their parents.
Yeah.
So please give very strong some suggestion how taking the client just 1 or 2 days.
So you must have your power or confidence in your mind. And today, I will buy or I will take a client. And when you using the computer or mobile, then you just find a ID or client number.
From where they will be fine. কোথা থেকে তারা ক্লায়েন্টে খুঁজে বের করবে?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, please say describe.
There are many you get from the Facebook, YouTube, many kind of thing you take or getting the link or you say some AI from giving out the numbers. You taking from him and you must need the English skill and
So how will we start from the he getting a client from America? So how will starting to the clients for
First of
earning
all,
money?
say must need when you say very interesting thing and very unique words in the English repository, then always the client will saying yes, I get a good customer or good worker, yeah, employees. So his mind saying that, and you must need the skill and talk with him and very unique thing. And when you don't know, you say to ChatGPT or Perplexity, give me some suggestion about that thing, and you will give and you take from their advantage and work with client. And when you work and he giving to you work like you making a followers big. Then many kind of thing you big. So when you work the thing and he giving to you money, how much work he had, he giving to you like an employees. You are employees. When you he giving to you the work and you work that thing.
Okay.
Then he will giving you money.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have no time. আমাদের সময় নাই। ও আজকে বলল যে কিভাবে আপনারা 2-3 দিনের মধ্যে টাকা ইনকাম করতে পারবেন। ইনশাআল্লাহ আমি 10-15 মিনিট একটা স্পিচ দিব আপনাদের আজকে থেকে টাকা কিভাবে ইনকাম করতে পারবেন ফ্রিল্যান্সিং থেকে, জিরো স্কিল থেকে ইনশাআল্লাহ জানাবো। তো রোজা তুমি you may finish and you give to big Congratulations to all and finish. And here also the respected principal sir, please
Yeah.
goes to thanks to him and finish, please.
So thanks for everyone for listening my talk, and thanks for principal sir also. So that's my topic.
Okay, so now. Okay, please. So Sajid, you just finish about 2 or 3 minutes. Then I will.